I will tell you a secret. If you mix kimchi into ramen, you will get 김치라면. Hi, this is 코리안꾸야. Today I'm gonna cook 김치라면. If you go to Korean grocery, you can buy 김치라면 very easily. But this one is a totally different. It's a above the beyond the 김치라면. You can count on me. Let's start to cook. First, you need a kimchi, and you need a ramen, kimchi and ramen. This is what all you need. Okay, kimchi, ramen. That's it. I think almost all Korean has their own kimchi ramen recipe, but this one is a boom. First, just cut kimchi. And half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of 다시다 and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix well. It's already tasty, it's already good. And stir fry first. When you stir fry, don't use strongest heat. It might burn because I put sugar in there, so it might burn easily. So don't use too strong heat. 자글자글 is too strong. It's a kind of mimetic word. 자글자글. It's a Korean expression. Yeah. Can you hear this? This is a 자글자글. Stir fry around 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And I will use 500 ml of water. Kimchi is salty and dashi is salty, so 500 ml is perfect. And soup powder. 자글자글, 보글보글. It's a little bit soft, right? 바글바글, 짜글짜글 is more strong, right? When you stir fry, 짜글짜글. But when you boil the water, 보글보글. This is a 보글보글. I have to boil 4 minutes and 30 seconds, so 4 minutes. I will cook during the 4 minutes. It's done. I will taste it. I can smell the sesame oils and it's a bomb. This is a legend of 김치라면. So from now, I wanna call this Korean꾸ya signature number 2. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to eat this. I think I have to drink soju too. Cheers. Enjoy your 김치라면. It was Korean꾸ya. See you later. Bye bye.